Hello and welcome to Technical Skillz YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali with another video of Android development. This is chat app series. So in the last video we have received the notification from one device to another device. So when users send message to other user, it will receive the notification. So now in this video we will learn how we can set a click listener on the notification to open the chat activity. So in the previous video we have just sent the title and the body of the notification. So now in this video we will also add user ID with this notification, because we need to open the chat activity. For chat activity we need user ID. So here I have designed a structure. Here we have user 1. When user 1 send the notification to user 2, it will also send the user ID to user 2 with notification. So when user 2 click on the notification, it will open the chat activity. For chat activity we also require other user ID, I mean first user ID. So how we can create this? We will add the user ID to our notification. So here we will create the JSON object. So again we will create the JSON object. I will call it JSON object 2 equal to new JSON object. And here we will attach the data with this JSON object 2. So I will use this JSON object dot put, and here we will attach the user ID. So I will create the variable user ID, I mean key. So here we will add the user ID. So m user dot get uid, this is sender user ID. So now also we will add the notification type. So JSON object dot put, and here we will create the key type, and here we will add the type of SMS, because we need to open the chat activity. Later we will also add the type request, because we need to open the friend request. So here we will attach this JSON object to our JSON object, this one. So here we will duplicate this line, and here we will change it into data, and also we will add our JSON object 2 like this. So when user click on the notification, I mean when user send the notification, it will also send this data. So go to Firebase messaging service. So here we will receive that data. So here we have problem, we have to change the set content into this one. So now we need to create the intent. So here we will create the intent, and here we will pass it null. And now we need to create the condition. So here we will condition check if, and here we will get the data from the remote message. So remote message dot get data dot, and here we will get the type. So I will type here type dot equal ignore case, and here we will pass if it is SMS, then we have to open the chat activity. So here we will initialize our intent equal to new intent, and this is, here we will pass the context, and target activity is our chat activity dot class. And now we have to attach the data. So here we will attach the data intent dot put, and here we will pass the user ID. So here we have to open the chat activity, and here we have received the intent. So here you can see, here we have received the intent, so we have to add the same key. So go to my Firebase messaging service, and here we will paste that one, and here we will pass the ID. So we will use remote message dot get data dot object. So here we will pass this one, at the bottom. This one we will pass this the user ID, because we have to send the user ID. So here we will pass inverted commas like this. Okay, now our intent is ready. Okay, now we need to create the pending intent. So here I will create the pending intent equal to pending intent dot get activity, So here we will pass the context, and next parameter is our request code. So here I will pass 101, and next parameter we have intent. So here I will pass the intent, and next parameter that we will pass here pending intent dot flag update current. So now we will add our builder. So builder dot set content intent. So here we have to pass the intent, this one, and simply pass the pending intent. Okay, now run the application. First of all, I will test it in my real device, and I will open also in our emulator. So let's run it. Okay, I have run the application in both devices. So now I'm going to send a notification. So let's say I type hello, and I click on the send button, and let's see, here you can see we have received the notification message from Nisha, and here you can see we have message hello. So let's click on this notification, and here you can see we have finally opened the activity. So here we have problem. You can see we have received the message from Nisha. We have to add the other username. So go to chat activity, and here we will add. So here we have to change the other username to my username. So first we have to open our method where we have load our profile. So here we have load our profile. Here we will duplicate the line and just change the username, and also here we have to change the username. We also need to fetch the username. So here we will create the string variable at the top, and I call it username, and we will use this username inside the notification. Okay, now our notification is almost complete. You can also add the notification channel, because this notification will not work on Android 8.0 and above version. It's your task. You can add notification channel for Android 8 and above version. So in the next video we will send notification while users send the friend request. So if you have any question, any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Take care.